So it says, think about a platform that keeps paying without the possibility of it ever crashing. That is Zenora. So the keyword I want you to highlight is that keep paying without the possibility of it ever crashing. So why would they be talking about crashing in the first place if the platform is not going to crash? Now, this is them trying to tell you that this platform is definitely going to crash because the foundation at which this platform is built on is totally Ponzi. All right, and this is what I'm going to be explaining to you in this video. So hello guys, my name is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Zenora Investment platform, and I'm going to be sharing with you the possibility of you losing your money if you invest on this platform. So if you want my honest review, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video, then subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. All right, so like I said, I'm going to show you how likely it is for you to lose all of your money if you invest on the Zenora Investment platform. Now, before I show you how you're going to lose your money, let's try and understand the platform. Let's see what is actually going on this platform. So if you go to the website, this is what you are going to see. So it says earn 128,000 naira in 7 days on Nigeria's biggest growing networking and investment platform. Now, the question you should ask yourself is, what product or what value are they providing on this website? Now, for you to start making money, now, money don't just come to you. You have to provide a value. Now, there should be a value they are providing, or there should be a tangible product they are promoting or selling before you can actually make money. So what is the tangible value that they are providing on Zenora? Now, this is a question you should ask yourself. Now, when you are making money and you don't know how the money is coming, you are just making money, you should definitely know that something is totally wrong somewhere. All right. And this is not going to be sustainable. So this is not going to last forever. So on their website, it says get started with 1,000 naira. So the fee to get started is 1,000 naira. So like I said earlier, I said think about a platform that keeps paying without the possibility of it ever crashing. Now that is not possible. So the features of Zenora, it says simplicity, affordable, and secure. So how it works, that is the matrix. So I think they have several matrix. So it says the Zenora matrix is a user acquisition program that reward users for their network activities. There are 8 matrix stages on Zenora, and every member starts from member 1 and keeps upgrading till they reach member 7. So what they are trying to say in essence is that when you join the platform with 1,000 naira, they are going to match you with other members that is going to pay you 1,000 naira twice. That is, you pay someone 1,000 naira and you get 2,000 naira from other 2 people that joins the platform. Now, I actually created an account with the website just to see how the programs is being run. So what happened is when you create an account with them, so as you can see, once you create an account with them, you're going to be matched with someone. So when I create an account with them, then I clicked on the join button. So this is what it brings out. So it says your joining request has not been matched yet. This means no slot is available at the moment. Once a slot is available, you will be matched immediately, and you will see that the account number you have to make payment into. Note, this is absolutely normal. There is nothing to worry about. Once a slot is available, you will be matched immediately. Now, let me tell you something about Ponzi scheme. Now, the thing with Ponzi scheme is that when you create an account on a Ponzi website like this, in the early stage of those Ponzi website, when people are joining, so the margin process is a little bit slower. But when it comes to a stage whereby they cannot sustain the program again, this is when you see that immediately you sign up, you'll be matched with people you're going to be paying money into their account, because the people that want to cash out at that point is more than the people that are paying. So in essence, if the website is new, the people that are paying him is going to be much more than the people that want to cash out. So this is the rule of Ponzi website, and what Zenora Investment platform is totally doing is absolutely Ponzi. So this is how you're going to lose your money. Just have it in mind that it's going to come to a stage whereby there will be no people to pay into the platform again, and 80% of the people on the platform will want to cash out. So when people that want to cash out is more than people that want to pay him, then there is going to be a problem. So this is how it works. You create an account on the website, you deposit 1,000 naira, they merge you with two people to pay you 1,000 naira twice, and you get 2,000 naira. So you deposit 2,000 naira, two people are matched to pay you 2,000 naira twice, or pay you 4,000 naira once, and you get 4,000 naira return. So same thing happens in the matrix 3. So you pay in 4,000 naira, two people is matched to pay you 4,000 naira, and you get 8,000 naira in return. So pay 8,000 naira, then you are matched with two people to pay you 8,000 naira twice, or you are matched with somebody from matrix 5 to pay you 16,000 naira each, and you get 16,000 naira in return. So the matrix 5, you pay in 16,000 naira, and you are matched somebody to pay you 32,000 naira from matrix 6, and you get 32,000 naira in return. So matrix 6, you pay in 32,000 naira, and you are matched somebody from matrix 7 to pay you 64,000 naira, and you make 64,000 naira in return. So the last matrix, you pay in 64,000 naira, and you are matched 64,000 naira twice to make 128,000 naira. So this is basically how the platform works. So what they are simply doing is they are using Peter money to pay Paul. Okay, so when there is no Peter, Paul is not going to be able to cash out from the platform again. So it says what happens after matrix 7. So once you've reached the peak, what is going to happen here? So they introduce the Zenora Investment platform. So it says Zenora Investment is a multifaceted trading program that rewards Zenora member with up to 30% returns on their investment in 15 days. 30% returns in 15 days. So what are they investing? Forex trading, football betting, crypto trading, and binary options. So everything they talk about here is totally unrealistic. This is not realistic. Okay, you're going to lose your money if you invest on this platform. Now, when you invest on a platform and you don't know how your money is being spent, trust me, you're going to lose the money. So the thing is, when you register on the platform, I'm not saying you're not going to make money. You'll be lucky. You could be among the first people to cash out on the website. But when the people that want to cash out is more than the people that want to pay him, and there is going to be a problem. So if you're among the first people that is depositing on the platform, you might still make money, but you never can tell. You might be creating your account when the people that want to cash out is more than the people that are paying money. So this is 100% pure Ponzi. Okay, so there are several other methods at which you can make reliable or realistic money. There are some better investment you can do that is going to guarantee your return, but this is Ponzi. All right, so if you have money and you don't know what to do with your money, so if you have any close relative, you could sow this money into their life. And if the money is so much that you don't know how to use it, you can just chat me on my WhatsApp. I'm going to add my WhatsApp at the description of the video. Just chat me up and say you want to sow this money into my life. I'm going to pray for you, then bless you in return. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are here to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.